WCAG 2.1 Success Criteria 1.3.4 states that orientation requires that content does not restrict its view and operation to a single display orientation, such as portrait or landscape, unless a specific display orientation is essential. Here's how you can implement it in code. In this example, the container class sets a maximum width of 800 pixels and centers it horizontally on the screen using margin 0 auto. This ensures that the content remains accessible and usable in both portrait and landscape orientations, as it will automatically adjust to the size of the screen. In this example, the container class uses media queries to change its layout based on the width of the screen. When the screen width is 720 pixels or greater, the container will be displayed as a row. When the screen width is less than 720 pixels, the container will be displayed as a column. This ensures that the content remains accessible and usable in different orientations and screen sizes.